is there a day that we don't talk about Tesla? When you get together these days with people who are seasoned traders, they are saying, all right, come on. It was at 200. Now it's 2,000. You've got to get rid of the stock. Don't you have to sell it? Well, this morning, Wedbush lays out the case for 3,500, which is the bull case based on battery day, September 22nd. This is the so-called million-mile battery, which sucks. You have to question whether you'd ever want a new Tesla if you got a battery that you never have to change. And then the other thing, David, China. Linchpin of success, China. I don't know, Dave, 300 billion, 400 billion,
yeah,
I don't know, 500 billion.
500 billion.
Maybe it's a technology company. I mean, maybe it should be valued more than NVIDIA.
Certainly going to have to be something other than an auto company. We've talked about that many, many times, Jim, and clearly the market believes that. If you want to really try and say that there's any reflection of actual fundamental value over time here, what do you do with this stock? I know you're a believer in a broader sense.
Yes, I am.
In a broader sense, you are. But, you know, a $382 billion market value at the beginning of trading today, by far, I mean, not even close in terms of the largest market cap for any automaker on the planet, ×2 at this point.
Well, I mean, maybe you just strategically decide to sell some ahead of the September 22nd battery day, just in case the million-mile battery doesn't come out. I also think that, look, I recommend the stock at 260, and if you're following, I mean, all my discipline says you got to take the 260 off the table. At the same time, this is the greatest momentum story ever told. So I'm sure that the people who are in it even hate the idea of taking out their basis. And yet there isn't any book or study I've ever read that says you shouldn't take out your basis because you want to play with the house's money. There's more house's money riding here than anything. Is it substantive? Well, again, if you believe in Elon, then you believe that they can make 20 million cars, and a 20 million car company is indeed worth this price. But, David, I don't know. 20 million cars requires a lot of factory space and building a lot of places, and I think that requires, let's just say, something that's going to take a long time.